Do you think starting a business that pulls in $80,000 a month requires a massive bank loan and a decade of grinding? That's the old way. While most people are still playing by those outdated rules, a select few are quietly building empires from their laptops with less than $1,000 to start. The secret? They're not building the AI, they're just using it. And today, I'm going to show you 3 of the most profitable AI service businesses you can launch this year. After making millions online, I've shifted my entire focus to one thing: leveraging artificial intelligence. We are in a small, critical window of time, and for the people who act fast, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. Forget coding, forget expensive degrees, and forget needing a team of developers. The businesses I'm about to break down are service-based, meaning you can start with the skills you have, use off-the-shelf AI tools, and find paying clients relatively quickly. These are real opportunities in markets that are growing incredibly fast. So, let's get into it. The AI Automation Agency. First up, and maybe the most foundational, is the AI Automation Agency. Let's start with the problem. Every small business owner on the planet is drowning. They're buried in repetitive, manual tasks that kill their productivity and stop them from focusing on what actually grows their business. They're manually entering customer data into a CRM, sending follow-up emails one by one, scheduling appointments, and trying to manage internal workflows across a dozen different apps that don't talk to each other. These are the bottlenecks that keep a business small. The demand for solutions is surging because companies want to manage more work without hiring more people. This is exactly why the marketing automation market is projected to more than double by 2030. They want efficiency, and they are willing to pay for it. This is where you come in. As an AI automation agency, you are a problem solver. You don't sell AI, you sell time. You help businesses replace their chaotic, manual workflows with intelligent, automated systems. You become a consultant and an architect, identifying the most painful bottlenecks and then using no-code and AI tools to build a seamless workflow. You could build AI-powered chatbots for their website that qualify leads, create automated email sequences for nurturing prospects, or set up systems that instantly route tasks to the right team members. The core offer is simple: you help businesses do more with less time, less effort, and less overhead. So, how do you get started? First, you don't need to be a developer. Your most important skill is understanding a business process from start to finish and seeing where the friction is. You'll master a few core tools. The center of your tech stack will likely be automation builders like Zapier or Make.com, which are visual and incredibly powerful for connecting different apps. Then, you'll use AI platforms like OpenAI's GPT for tasks that require intelligence, like writing personalized follow-up emails or summarizing customer notes. You could even specialize in a specific platform like Go High Level, which combines a CRM with marketing automation, and become an expert in setting up AI-driven systems within that ecosystem. It's possible to start by offering a simple package, like automating a client's lead intake and follow-up process, and build from there. Now, for the financial payoff. Because you are solving a high-value problem, the income potential is significant. I'm seeing agencies charge anywhere from a few $1,000s for a single project to ongoing monthly retainers of $2,000 to $5,000 for maintenance and optimization. Friends of mine in this space are making between $20,000 and $50,000 a month. You can start by finding clients on platforms like Upwork, but the best strategy is to become an insider in a niche you already understand, like real estate or e-commerce, and solve the problems you know they have. For example, a friend of mine runs a company called YourAtlas.com, which provides voice AI to automate phone calls for businesses. As an agency, you could become the middleman, implementing that tool for local businesses and charging a setup fee plus a monthly retainer to manage it. You're not building the core tech, you're the expert integrator who makes it work for them. The AI Content Repurposing Service. Next up, for those of you on the more creative side, we have the AI Content Repurposing Service. This is one of the most underrated and explosive opportunities right now. Here's the problem: the creator economy is already a massive, $250 billion global force, and it's projected to nearly double to almost $500 billion by 2027. Every brand, coach, and influencer is now a media company. They are under immense pressure to create a constant stream of content across multiple platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, you name it. But creating unique content for each platform is an exhausting, soul-crushing grind. A single 1-hour podcast is a huge asset, but most creators just post it once and move on, leaving massive value on the table because they don't have the time to slice and dice it. The solution you provide is a machine that turns one piece of content into 50. As a content repurposing service, you take a client's long-form content, a podcast, a webinar, a speech, and use AI tools to transform it into dozens of targeted assets. That 1-hour podcast can become 10 short-form video clips for Reels and TikTok, 5 LinkedIn text posts, a series of quote graphics for Instagram, and a summary blog post for their website. You're not just saving your clients time, you're multiplying their reach and maximizing the return on their biggest investment. A manual process for this would take days. With AI, you can do it in a fraction of the time. Getting started is surprisingly simple and low cost. Your main tools will be AI-powered video editors like Opus Clip or Descript. These tools can take a long video, automatically identify the most viral-worthy moments, reframe them into vertical formats, and add dynamic captions. For text-based content, you can use ChatGPT or Claude to summarize articles into email newsletters or distill key takeaways into a compelling Twitter thread. You can start by offering this service on freelance platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, where the niche has relatively low competition right now. Build a simple portfolio showing a clear before and after. Here's the original video, and here are the 15 assets I created from it. The financial payoff is very attractive. Successful services in this space often charge clients on a monthly retainer, with packages starting around $1,500 a month for repurposing one long-form video per week and scaling up from there. Getting just 5 to 7 clients can scale your income to between $10,000 and $30,000 a month. The best part is how scalable this business model is. Once you have a streamlined process, you can hire virtual assistants or editors to manage the workload while you focus on acquiring more clients. Most content creators know they need this, and when you show them how you can save them 10 to 20 hours a week, it becomes an incredibly easy sell. The AI Lead Generation Agency. This final business model has the highest income potential because it's tied directly to the one thing every single business on earth wants more of: revenue. This is the AI Lead Generation Agency. The problem is timeless: businesses need customers to survive. But traditional lead generation is often slow and ineffective. Sales teams spend countless hours prospecting, sending cold emails that never get opened, and making calls that go nowhere. Meanwhile, high-intent buyers expect a response within minutes, but studies show that a huge percentage of companies fail to reply in time, losing the lead forever. It's no wonder the lead generation market is projected to surge to over $32 billion by 2035. Your AI-powered solution flips this model on its head. Instead of just generating more leads, you generate smarter leads, faster. As an AI lead generation agency, you use a suite of AI tools to handle the entire top of the sales funnel. This includes using AI to scrape data and identify ideal customer profiles, deploying AI-powered outreach tools to send thousands of personalized emails, and using AI agents on a client's website to engage visitors in real time and even book meetings directly on the sales team's calendar. You're essentially building a 24/7, automated sales development representative for your clients that never sleeps. Getting started requires a bit more strategic thinking, but the tools are still accessible. You'll need to understand marketing best practices, copywriting, and conversion funnels. Your tech stack might include tools like Clay.com to enrich lead data, Apollo.io for outreach, and chatbot builders like VoiceFlow or Chatbase to create intelligent agents for websites. You get paid for the qualified leads and meetings you generate. Companies are always willing to pay for services that directly bring them revenue, which makes this an incredibly compelling offer. And that brings us to the financial payoff. This is where you can reach that $80,000 a month figure. I have friends making between $30,000 and $80,000 every single month with this model. One person I know scaled his agency from around $8,000 to over $52,000 a month in just 5 months using an AI lead